Hi friends, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you clicked on this video and you are a returning subscriber, I want to just say thank you so much for your patience. I know I've been MIA. There hasn't been much going on my channel. You guys all know by now we had a big life change. I went to work full time. Things have been crazy. I really had lots and lots of intentions of trying to keep up with this channel, and it's just been a bigger transition than I thought it would be. And so you know, I haven't been around as much as I had hoped, and my cat apparently misses me because he wanted to be here with me. I haven't been home near as much as I used to be, and so there hasn't been as much content as I had hoped to share. My cat really misses me, you guys. If you guys miss me as much as this guy does, give me a thumbs up. But yeah, it's just been a lot of transition, a lot of new stuff, and it's taken me longer to adjust than I thought, and so that's why there hasn't been very many videos, and that's why I'm gonna continue to not offer you guys any promises about when new content will come. So for now, what I can offer you guys in terms of content is just like working mom content, because that's what I have time to share, because that's what fits in with, you know, my life now. That is my life now. And so today's video is going to be a little office tour. I originally intended this to be part of a longer vlog that I was doing, like a day in the life vlog, but a lot of that footage that I filmed didn't end up turning out. So instead, I thought I would just get on here, chit chat with you guys, say hello, which I have done now, and then go ahead and pop that footage to the end of this. So this will be a little bit shorter, but I wanted to show you guys my setup at the office. Part of the reason that I haven't been filming as many videos, other than all of the things that I've already said, is that my desk here at home, we actually moved to the office. The previous owners of the business kindly left us their desks that they were using, and they were working out okay, but they were like student-sized desks, and I definitely needed more space. And I have discovered that since I haven't been home as much, I didn't need my huge desk here at home. So I took that desk to work, and so I didn't have a desk here at home at all for a little while, and I just recently went and got a much smaller, sorry you guys, the cat just knocked my purse off the bed. So I took my big desk to work. It's been working out great. You're gonna see it in this little video clip that I'm going to share with you momentarily, and I downsized to a much smaller desk here at home. So now that I have a desk at home, I can film more like top-down style videos again, budgeting, planning, that sort of thing, if I can find the time to film those videos for you. So lots of new content with the working content, with the working mom vlogs and the outfit videos that I'm hoping to share soon. And if you have any other recommendations about like work content that you'd be interested in seeing, I know that stuff's not going to be for everyone. It's definitely not what is the norm here on my channel, but I'm going to mix some of the old favorites into grocery hauls, planning videos. I'm hoping to share some budgeting content if I can ever get back to budgeting. I have not been budgeting, if I'm being honest. Lots of changes around here, so you know, old stuff, new stuff. If you're sticking around, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Without further ado, let me go ahead and get into this office tour. So I thought it might be fun to bring you into my office here at work and show you my little corner. Now, there's a lot of like business information and stuff that I'm going to not show, so if there's any weird cuts or blurring on the screen, it's because I had to edit those things out. But this is my little corner of our office. We just finally got it set up the way that I want it. Just a bunch of cords and stuff down there that haven't yet been taken care of. So it's not perfect, but this is it. So a lot of these items you may recognize from my house because I really liked my office setup at my house and therefore replicated it here. So I have this little L-shaped desk. It's all from IKEA. And off to the left here, there is a big bulletin board where we keep track of all of our jobs. For those of you that aren't familiar, we are a sewer and drain cleaning company, so we send guys out to do lots of work in people's homes and in businesses and stuff. So we have a big bulletin board where we keep track of where everyone is and what the jobs are and all of that. So that's what I'm trying very carefully not to show you. It's right off screen there. So that's behind my desk. We kind of coordinate all of the jobs there. And this is where I do all of my work. So like I said, L-shaped desk from IKEA. It's actually 2 different desktops. And again, there's cords and stuff. It's not perfect, but I'm gonna move my chair out of the way. I love this chair. It was left here for me by the previous owner, and I hated it at first, but I love it now. Took some getting used to. This desktop here is, I don't remember the measurements, you guys, but it's a smaller desktop from IKEA with the Alex drawers. This set of drawers is not a filing drawer. It's just like a regular drawer going down. There's usually a little letter tray here that I just went ahead and moved out of the way because it had a bunch of business information that I didn't feel like sharing with the internet. So that usually sits here in this corner, and then I have a big desktop calendar that usually sits here. I've got my stapler and my little tape dispenser that I actually brought from home just because they're pretty and I like them, and they usually sit like in front of that little letter tray. I love having this big open space to write and whatnot. We've got our modems and our router, our phone, and then I have this automatic stapler because I do a lot of stapling. A little phone call log situation here. There's an extra hard drive here. My computer, where I do all of our invoicing and whatnot. This is a second IKEA desktop, a bigger one. This is the one that came from my bedroom actually because it fit perfectly here, and I actually downsized at home since I'm not at home working nearly as much anymore. I have my little phone stand here, a bunch of pens. This is another piece from IKEA that I don't think they sell anymore, but it's like a monitor riser. It's got some drawers in it, really great for organization. I got my big desk pad that I brought from home. This is from Amazon, keyboard and mouse. And then this desktop is just held up by a couple of sets of legs so that I could fit up underneath here. And then we've got the second set of drawers here, which is the filing drawer, and it's just like right off to the side, along with our printer, copier, fax machine. This system works really well for me. I use this scanner and the printer every single day, so it's really easy having it right there. And then in the drawer, I keep all of my everyday files and all of my pens, you know, that sort of thing. So that is my little office nook. I love it. The previous owners had a different setup that worked okay. We were using that for a while, but I was really eager to get in here and set it up the way that I like it, make it my own space, and I'm really, really happy with it. And here's another little view of it. Try to cover up that personal information there. That's that bulletin board where my hand is. My desk is right as you walk into the office. It's the first thing you see, so I can greet customers, though we don't get too many. Most of our work comes in over the phone, but even so, it's nice that I'm sitting right here. My husband's desk is directly behind me. I'm not going to share that because he hasn't like cleaned it up, and he's got a bunch of business information on it. But yeah, we work in tandem here in the office, running our business, and I love this little setup. There's a little air conditioner in the window there. So yeah, it works out really, really well. All right, my friends, so that's it. Short and sweet, but that is where I've been working every single day. I'm absolutely loving my job. So many of you have reached out and asked me how I'm doing, if I'm liking the new job. I'm absolutely loving it, you guys. I'm having the time of my life. I feel so good to be contributing to my household, bringing in income, just being more useful as a stay-at-home mom to older boys, the last couple of years, I felt very stagnant and very kind of useless. I mean, teenagers don't need me like they used to, right? But I've definitely found my purpose with this new job of mine. Working side by side with my husband has been a dream come true. I'm absolutely loving it. And now you've seen a little glimpse into where I work every day. So hopefully you'll see more content soon. I can't make any promises. I'm doing the best I can. I appreciate your continued patience. I'll be back soon, hopefully with some April budget worksheets. I know those of you that like my worksheets have been a little worried, but I don't plan on going anywhere. I plan on continuing to share those with you every month as long as I can. So I have April's worksheets designed, but that's as far as I've gotten with them. I haven't had a chance to list them or even test print them or anything, but we're gonna get there, you guys. Thank you for your continued patience and for your continued support. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hopefully lots of content coming soon. I appreciate your support so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.